Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class. Numbers are used almost everywhere in our day-to-day activities. Many Indian mathematicians contributed a lot to the number system. Indian mathematician Aryabhatta introduced zero, which is a milestone for number system. In today's class, we are going to learn about number systems. Natural numbers. The counting numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on are called natural numbers, and it is denoted by the symbol capital N. So this is a set of natural numbers. Which is the smallest natural number? Yes, 1 is the smallest natural number. Whole numbers. The set of natural numbers along with 0 forms a new set of numbers called whole numbers. Is denoted by the symbol capital W. This is a set of whole numbers. So from this, can you able to say which is the smallest whole number? Yes, 0 is the smallest whole number, and there is no greatest whole number. Integers. The set of whole numbers and the negative values of all natural numbers form a new set of numbers called integers. It is denoted by the symbol capital I or Z. This is a set of integers. Representation of integers on number line. How do we represent these integers on a number line? First, we have to draw a line like this. Mark 0 at the center. The numbers to the right of 0 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The numbers to the left of 0 are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. The numbers to the right of the 0 are increasing, and they are all positive integers. The numbers to the left of 0 are decreasing. They are all negative integers. Then what about this 0? The 0 is neither positive nor negative. So let us solve the examples. Example 1. Compare The first one is 1 and 3. So mark these numbers on the number line. So here 1 is, so both are positive. Here it's 1 and 3. So the numbers to the right of 0 are increasing. So obviously you know that this 3 is greater than 1. Second one, minus 2 and minus 5. So mark this minus 2 and minus 5 in the number line. Minus 2, minus 5. So the numbers to the left of 0 are decreasing. So minus 2 is greater than minus 5. Is it clear, children? Yes. Note that every number on the right is greater than all the numbers on its left in the number line. The whole number 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. Example 2. Write all integers between minus 2 and 2 using number line. So mark 0 at the center. The numbers to the right of the 0 are increasing. So 3, 4, 5 and so on. The numbers to the left of 0 are decreasing. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. So mark the numbers minus 2 and 2 on a number line. So minus 2 is here and 2 is here. So now it's clear to see the numbers or integers between minus 2 and plus 2 are minus 1, 0 and 1. Now write the answer as integers between minus 2 and 2 are minus 1, 0 and 1. Is it clear, children? Yes. Example 3. Arrange the numbers 3, minus 4, 0, 2, minus 3, 5 in ascending order. Draw a number line like this. Mark the numbers on it. So we have to mark the numbers on the number line. The first one is 3. 3 minus 4. Minus 4, 0 and 2, minus 3. Minus 3 and 5. So the numbers to the left of 0 are in decreasing order and to the right of 0 are in increasing order. So we can write the numbers as in ascending order: minus 4, minus 3, 0, 2, 3 and 5. Is it clear, children? Yes. From left to right, the numbers are in increasing order. So if the same numbers, if they ask you to write in descending order, so how will you do this one? So you have to write the numbers from right to left. Right to left. So say the numbers from right to left is 5, 3, 2, 0, minus 3, minus 4. Is it clear? Yes. Let us have a small recap of what we have learned in today's class. Natural numbers. All numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called natural numbers. Natural number is denoted by the symbol capital N. And 0 is the smallest natural number and there is no greatest natural number. Whole numbers. If we add 0 to the set of natural numbers, then we will get whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by the symbol capital W. So 0 is the smallest whole number and there is no greatest whole numbers. Integers. If we add negative numbers to the whole numbers, then we will get integers. Integers are denoted by the symbol capital I or Z. And we have learned representation of integers using number line. The numbers to the right of 0 are in increasing order and the numbers to the left of 0 are in decreasing order. Right of 0 they are called positive integers and left of 0 they are called negative integers. And the 0 is neither positive integer nor negative integer. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.